Hi everybody, let's create this presentation. This slide in PowerPoint, it looks amazing. Okay, let's start. At first, we need to add a new slide. In the new slide, we need to create these two shapes. For that, we need to create a circle. Then align it center, align it middle, bring it out. This much is good. Now, create a triangle. Little increasement in the size, then rotate it. Put it here. That's good. Now select both of them. Set the shape outline to none and the color you want. Let's go with red. Set the shape outline to none. Okay. After that, set the transparency to low. Copy your text. Paste it here. Copy this slide. And then bring it out, align it center, align it middle, set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready, as beautiful as possible. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice